my dreads. Throwing these bows and busting these heads. Bitch, irrelevant, steps on my wrist is best and back up, I think you believe. I've been a diamond, committing no crime, not leaving a trace, not leaving a line. We necking and bucking cause I got a nine. I blow you away cause you wasting my time. Stupid ass niggas, I know what to do. I waste your ass, you fuck with my crew. I'm doing what you had, so watch what you do. You talking about...
What's up, guys? Welcome on back. It's your favorite around the way girl, Naturally Candace. I'm like so geeked to be saying that again, but I just wanted to do a quick video about how I started my locks. Well, starting my locks using the 2-strand twist method. I know there's a lot of different options these days on how you can start your locks, but I personally did the 2-strand twist method, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this method, why I chose this method, and yeah, that's it. Excuse my hair. It has officially been 4 weeks, so I am a month into this journey, so my hair, you know, it's looking a little rough now, but I'm getting ready to refresh it, and I'm actually getting ready to style, and I'm also going to record my 1 month lock journey update video today as well. But this video, we're talking about the 2-strand twist method. I'm sorry, I keep pulling on my necklace. It's like cricket. It's like driving me crazy. But when I first decided that I was going to do my lock journey, of course, I looked up the different ways that you can start your locks. I know you can do the finger coils. I know they have instant locks now and lock extensions, but for me, I knew that I wanted to do the 2-strand twist method. 1, it was going to be easy. 2, it was going to be cheap, and 3, it was going to be low maintenance. So those are the 3 reasons why I chose the 2-strand twist method. I had already been rocking 2-strand twists before deciding to lock up as a protective style. So I already knew like this would be perfect for me. I can just 2-strand twist my hair up, take care of it, and just not take the twist outs. I have never been a fan of finger coils. My hair doesn't, I don't know if I'm not doing it right, but I just can't get my hair to coil correctly. Like it'll start at the root and then it's unraveling at the ends, and I didn't want to have to pay anybody to start my locks, so I knew that the coil method, I'm sorry, I'm looking to see if Caleb is waking up, but I knew that the finger coil method was not going to be the best method for me, especially being that I wanted it to be low maintenance. With my twists, I don't have to do anything. I haven't even been wrapping my hair up at night. I just sleep on my satin pillowcase and call it a day. And another reason why I knew I wanted to do the 2-strand twist method is it is summertime here in Florida, and we do a lot of water activities with the kids. We go to the pool, the springs, the beach. So I knew that my hair was going to be wet. And I know with the finger coil method, like my hair would be coming loose, so I would be spending a lot of time recoiling, retwisting, and I knew that with the 2-strand twist method, I wouldn't have to worry so much about the unraveling because my hair is constantly getting wet. So that was another plus and perk for me. So when I actually started to twist my hair, the only thing that I used on my hair was water and oil. I made a little oil mixture, and that's all that I used. Again, YouTube, Google is your best friend whenever you're making a commitment or a decision, something as big as locking your hair. You want to research and find out what is going to be best for you. But I knew that I didn't want to use any heavy creams or gels or anything like that. I wanted to be very low maintenance, so that is why I chose to just twist my hair with water and oil only. When I was actually twisting my hair, I didn't have any problem getting the twist to stay. I didn't have any problem with getting them to unravel, but I did notice that I had to twist my hair very tight down the shaft. I would twist it and then I would pull and then twist and then pull, making sure that the twist was very, very tight and secure. So I would make sure that the twist was tight and secure, and when I got to the ends, I just put a little oil on my fingertips and wrapped the end of the twist around my hair, and it created like, you know, that little curl thing at the end. The hardest part about doing the 2-strand twist method was the top and the back, making sure that I was twisting properly, making sure that the twists were tight and secure. There was several times that I had to restart a twist because I didn't like the way the twist fell, or there was like huge gaps in the twist and I wanted it to be as tight as possible. But I mean, I didn't really mind it. In total, it took me a while to install my twists because I was working off of Caleb's time and I had to have AJ help me with the parting and he was working. So I actually started on them, I believe Thursday or Wednesday night. I started with the parting and I didn't finish until Friday. But if I would have did it all together and I would have been able to work straight through, it probably would have taken me 2.5 to 3 hours just because I wanted to make sure that the parting was good. Yeah. Now, let's talk about these edges. Let me get in so you can see my edges. I did them really small, not really small, but a decent size up here. As you can see, there's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, as you can see. So these are really good in size. I really love the size of these. The hard part for me was doing my edges, as you can see. I had a braid, a box braid that was actually, sorry guys, sorry, okay. So I had a box braid, as you guys know in some videos back, that was actually ripped from the scalp and I had been rehabbing getting that section to grow. As you can see, hair is actually growing back to that spot. It's not back yet, but it's coming back. So I knew that I wanted to put one lock here, and then as you guys can see how thin this lock here is, the shaft of the hair isn't that thick or long, but the part of it is actually one of the biggest locks that I have on each side. I'll show you guys the other side, but as you guys can see, I was still suffering from some trauma there. So I didn't want to split this one in half and then have two super skinny locks, which I would probably have to marry or combine them later in the future, or they might break off. So I just went ahead and made this part one huge box with the lock hanging down, and you guys can see it's on this side as well. I did the same thing, like this is my struggle side. That's my struggle side. So that is how it is over there. This side is actually getting better. I know it doesn't look all of that, but it does. It is finally growing back. So yeah. As far as maintaining, retwisting, styling, deep cleans, I plan on doing all of that myself. When I was a loose natural, I rarely went to get my hair done. It was more like a treat, like for my birthday or something special. If I had a show, I would actually go into the salon and let them do my hair. But I'm gonna keep that same routine with my locks. I plan on doing everything myself. Now, if I do start to go to somebody to maintain them, I do have somebody in mind that I will be going to. She's actually a friend of mine from high school, and she is like lock queen here in the Central Florida area. But as far as it goes right now, I am going to be doing everything myself. So I'll give you guys a full 360 of my hair. Again, I have 108 babies, 108 locks so far, and my hair is layered or cut in this style because my hair was growing out from a tapered cut. So that is why it kind of has this tapered look, and I really like it. I think it's kind of cute, you know? So yeah, I'll show you the back again. So yeah, there we go. So that is my video starting starting locks with 2 strand twists. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box for me. Be on the lookout for my 1 month update on my lock journey. I'm going to talk about itchy scalp, unraveling, styling, what I've been doing, upkeep and maintenance. So yeah, that video should be up in a few days. So make sure your notifications is on so you are notified every time I drop a new video. I plan on doing tons of lock videos, especially because I'm new to this and I might be struggling and I want to share that struggle with you. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, see ya.